Let's get into my Boxycharm by Ipsy paid for box. I forgot to skip this, but whatever. Let's get into it. So we have I didn't get to choose any of this because I forgot, like after choice day, I'm like, oh. So we'll see. But stay tuned for spoilers for November because there's some ones I'm actually excited about. So this is from Pomelo & Co. Vanilla Boost Ultra Repairing Hair Mask. I do like it's recyclable because it's in a little squeezy. So I do like that. It says no BS, awesome ingredients. It's made in New York and Germany. And then it says with our custom oil blend, chill in the fridge for 10 minutes before use. I've never seen that before. Apply a hazelnut size amount to mid lengths and ends after 30 minutes. That's a long time. So is it supposed to be, it doesn't say if it's supposed to be wet or dry hair. I guess it doesn't matter, but there's that. I'm sure it smells good because it has vanilla in it. And then the ingredients are pretty clean. Coconut oil, fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil. And then the very last one is fragrance. And then some type of acetate, which is like probably preservative, naturally derived fragrance, perfume. Pretty simple to me. And then I actually am wearing this today. So we're going to have to see how this held up. This is, the packaging is really cute. It's from Formula Z. I Am So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo. It has castor oil, quartz minerals, vitamin E. I don't think there's like, oh, it's Shine On. So there is I don't know if you can see all the sparkles, like all the different colors in there, but it's like a copper kind of bronze. And then, so cream shadow, which I haven't used. I did swatch it on my hand yesterday and lasts pretty well. And then there's like a matching, but there's no, I don't see any sparkles. It's more like a metallic shadow or like eyeliner. So let's see how it lasted in my waterline today. Let's get all up close and personal. I mean, I can see it a little bit, but I don't see like a sheen necessarily. But I'll just swatch them for you. So there it is, freshly applied. There is some sparkle in there. There are like, let's see, kind of like red gold sparkles. I wouldn't say it's like super shifty or anything, but you know, it's pretty. I haven't tried the liquid shine on my eyes, but I have tried the cream, the waterline. Like I said, it didn't last super long. Well, I mean, it's not like it's not there at all, but it's not like the most long wearing. Okay, that was way too long. An explanation for that. And then this I'm not very excited about, but whatever. This is from Wonder Beauty. We see Wonder Beauty a lot. This is like a blush palette. Let's see, Riviera blush and bronzer palette. Those bronzers look really shimmery. I mean, this would be a pretty eyeshadow palette if you just want like some basic shadows and like just one and done, I guess. But I'm not probably gonna use this. Like those look kind of like light, and I'm pretty pale, so I don't know. I give that to my sister or something. Probably not worth the price. This is from Hip Dot, which I've never tried anything from Hip Dot. I thought like they only did like collabs, but this is their liner and stamp in the shade Jet Black. It has charcoal, which is kind of, I heard that wasn't really, I don't know, charcoal powder. Like, is it really safe for you? I don't know. I thought I heard something where it wasn't. I did try to use a stamp, like it's like a wing stamp, but it actually didn't look very good on me. So I do have like hooded lids, so I don't know. I didn't use it today. I'm using it. Actually, I use eyeshadow. Let me get close. I actually use eyeshadow for wings a lot of the time with just like a wing eyeliner brush. Like I use brushes like this. This one's from ColourPop, but like anything that's like small and angled like this, that's what I use to do my wings. Or I really like the KVD eyeliner and Trooper is really good. But I don't know, that's what I use for wings or eyeshadow. But I mean, it was okay. I don't really like felt tips and it's not the best eyeliner I've ever tried in my life, but I'm gonna give that to like a friend because the wing part, I'm like, I like the idea of it, but it just didn't turn out the way I like my wings to be. And then, oh, we did get like a little pamphlet and it is paper, so you can, you know, recycle it, do what you want. And this is supposed to be like, this is supposed to be glamowern. I already did my PR unboxing, so if you want to see that, they're already up. I didn't get any of the same product, which is good. But yeah, not super, I don't know, not the most exciting things. And then doesn't have any prices on it either. I'm like, okay. But you can scan this and then you can see her off. You can see what you got as well as it's on the app. I also got and I also do spoilers. I also got the Biro New York Celery AHA and LHA Resurfacing Serum. We get so much of this. The ingredients look good and stuff. Lots of extracts, blah, blah, blah. Vegan. I think everything, pretty sure everything's vegan, which is cool, and cruelty free. But I don't know. I get so many of these serums, so I'm gonna just give that to like a friend. And then I think that's my box. So hair products. I mean, we got hair, skincare, and makeup, but so far, like basically all I really liked from this was the hair product and the eyeliner. Well, for me, it's even eyeliner, the shadow stick / cream eyeshadow. So that's liquid or cream, whatever eyeshadow stick thing. So I'm sure it's worth the price, but I'm really excited for November so far. So anyway, and I'm excited for my FabFitFun. So anyway, enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.